Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use teaching documents in Caribbean AI. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to notice these templates and documents down here, right? Templates are similar to a folder. Now this folder you can reuse multiple times when generating documents. So for example, if you want to have an instruction when generating a scheme of work for a certain subject or the daily plan, for example, you always wanted to use your timetable, that might be a useful feature. So I'm going to click templates. I already had a timetable here, but I'm going to redo it. I'm going to click new template. I'm going to select an icon. So any icon you want, but I'm just going to click a calendar. Template name. You can put a custom name. Once you've typed in your timetable or any additional instructions you want, right? This is not only for a timetable. You can put any other additional instructions you want to reuse here. And if you have any documents as well, you can easily add them using this button here. So I'm going to be creating a daily plan. So I keep the base template as a daily plan and I click save template. So if you want to create a document now, go to documents, click new document, click new document type. The reason why you see all documents here that I've created is if you want to change something in a previous document you've generated. Let's say for example I generated a daily plan and for Monday for mathematics I want a certain plan done for that subject. I could tell it, okay, this is what I want changed, and it will do the changes. But I'm going to click new document. I'm going to click daily plan with a timetable for the document template. You're going to see the instructions come up here for the template. So document name, I'm just going to name it week 9 term 2. Ensure you click the standard that you are in for this daily plan or scheme of work. In a scheme of work, you're going to be able to see the subject selector here, but since it is a daily plan, we only need the standard. So document instructions, we're going to just put generate this timetable for week 9 term 2 February 9th to February 14th. Now make sure you type in the date, the week, the term. All of this additional information will help the AI to understand exactly what dates it needs to generate the document for. So I'm going to click generate. Once the document has generated under documents, you'll see a new one here. Once you click on it, it's going to download it and you need a Word to open the document. So I'm going to open the document here. And as we can see, it has respected the date that we have used, week 9, and the date. And you see it has done it for 5 days. So Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, this is a generic overview of based on what the syllabus asks. You can obviously change all of these to anything you want. You can just click enable editing. Or let's say for example, you already know what you want done for the week. You just don't want to deal with making all of the student activities and the topic and associating all of them into a big table and stuff. You could, for example, just write out exactly what you're thinking in the document instructions when this is going to be generated, and it will easily help you structure everything. So it's still your idea and your planning as a teacher, but it just formats everything. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do need any assistance, you can always contact us on WhatsApp by going to the homepage here and clicking WhatsApp support.